least common multiple, or LCM for short. So a multiple of a number is the number we get when we multiply it by another number. As always, let's look at an example. 5. Let's multiply 5 by 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 is a multiple of 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 is also a multiple of 5. 5 times 3. 5 times 3. 15. 15 is also a multiple of 5. So a multiple, these are all multiples of 5, is the number we get when we multiply by another number. So here, we're multiplying by 1, then we're multiplying by 2, then we're multiplying by 3, and so on. So here, I wrote down the first 6 multiples of 2 and 3. Let's try to see how many numbers are the same. So 2, we don't have any 2 here. 4, we don't have any 4 here. 6, we have a 6 here. 8, we don't have any 8s here. 10, no 10s here. And 12, we have a 12 here. Now 6 and 12 are called common multiples. So because 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, and also 12 is a multiple of 2 and 3, we call them common multiples. Now the least multiple, this is the smallest one, is called the least common multiple. Or we can just call it LCM. Now, let's try to find the LCM of 6 and 4, or the least common multiple of 6 and 4. We would start with 6. We start with 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Then 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30, and so on. How about 4? 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6 is 24. Now the common multiples are 12 and 24. But they want the least common multiple. So you take the smallest common multiple, which is 12. So basically, the LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Now, 3 numbers. Again, we're going to start with the first number, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14, and so on. The second number, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12, and so on. Notice that we have a 6 here and a 6 here. Now for the third number. 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. We don't have to continue. We found 6 here, and a 6 here. So the LCM of 2, 3, and 6 is just 6. So let's try to find the LCM of 15 and 3. It's always better to start with the smaller number. So 3. 3 times 1, 3. Times 2, 6. Times 3, 9. Times 4, 12. And let's take 15. 15 times 1 is 15. Times 2 is 30. You see that 15 is bigger than 12. So it means that we have to continue with the 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. And now we found the LCM. So the LCM of 15 and 3 is 15. So when you have two numbers, try with the smaller number first. So 4 times 1 is 4, 2 is 8, times 3 is 12, times 4 is 16. And if you don't know when to stop, just write the first few numbers and move on to the next number. Let's start with 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Times 2 is 10. Times 3 is 15. Times 4 is 20. Now, we don't have the LCM yet. And the last number here is greater than the last number here. So it means we have to continue with the 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. And now we found the LCM. Try to find the LCM of these numbers and leave your answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my previous videos.